Make $100 per day using Google coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make $100 per day with Google, right? So it's going to be a very awesome video. And before we get into the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income from home down in the description. So how you can make $100 per day using Google. So let's go here on this website now. It's called Google Trends. So what I like about Google Trends is that it will get you a general idea and the amount of problem that people are actually searching on Google, right? So if you know that Google is actually probably #1 search engine now in the world, so people are actually searching for a problem. So how do you know that? So basically, we're looking for people's problem that we can solve, right? So for me, I think we can go for belly fats, because it's one problem that a lot of people are having, right? So you can see here the search result that maybe we'll go for belly fat. So you can see here, basically in the United States, it's been searched this specific topic. So meaning people are actually having problems with belly fat, and you know, if they're searching for this, meaning they are looking for a solution to the problem. So one way we can provide solution for their problems is by recommending to them a product that can actually help them. And through that, we can go to here at ClickBank. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. So people are actually selling products here. So what I like about ClickBank is that they offer a wide variety of products here. So what you're gonna do, alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna create an account here on ClickBank, right? So once you fill up your forms here, then you can start promoting ClickBank. So what I like about, again, with ClickBank is that you don't need to apply for an affiliate link. Once you find a product, you will have an affiliate link that is unique to you. If you don't want an affiliate link, it's basically a link that you send out to your prospect, and when they buy the product through your link, that will be credited to you. So it's unique to you. So that way the seller will know, or the vendor will know, which sale to credit to, right? So let's go to the marketplace here. So this is the dashboard of ClickBank. So we're gonna search for belly fat. Right. So I think this is the one of the let's see here. Let's search for popularity. Okay, we're gonna look for a product that looks really good. Okay, let's say average sale. Gravity. I think this looks good. The lean belly breakthrough. So you can see here that the average sale is 84%, which is really good. The gravity is 101. It's good. And let's see, let's click the okay, let's go for it. Let's see the affiliate page.
Excited, and I just had to share this with you.
All right, this is the sales page then. So it looks good. So all right, so the flat belly code. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna promote, right? You're gonna generate a link. So this will be your affiliate link. All right, let's get that ready. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna search for that on Google. So belly fat blogs. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to blogs where they will have you know, where they will have comment section on it. So that's where we're gonna promote our products here. So belly flat Fat blog. Let's see that. Okay, let's see if they have. No, they don't have a. Okay, we're looking for websites. Okay. Alright, this looks good. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna add a comment here. Alright. So we're gonna add a comment. Oh, we need to log in. Huh. Alright, let's log in then. Okay. Right. So we're gonna make a comment, right? So thank you for the help me some. This will help. Right. So what you're gonna do? We're gonna go back to ClickBank and we're gonna get that affiliate link. So here's a problem. So if you post here your affiliate link, it's gonna look like that. So and it's gonna be very obvious. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go on this website called bit.ly.com and you're gonna create a small link like that, and then let's rename this so that it looks much prettier. Fat now. So it's taken. All right. So I added this, how to lose belly fats. So we're just gonna copy that and we're gonna paste. All right. So now when people are searching for that blog post, and then they're gonna see this, and they're gonna go to comment section, and then they will, all right. So you need to verify first. All right. You get the general idea, right? So this is how you're gonna do it again. So you go to ClickBank, find products there that you're gonna promote. Then find blog post, right? And then you comment your result or the product here on the blog post. And when people come here and they see that, they will see recommendations or they will see comments here, and then they will click your link. And then when they buy, you get your affiliate link. So what I like about ClickBank, again, is that you don't need to apply for affiliate link. It's already there. If you create an account, you will get an affiliate link, and then they will pay you through PayPal or through mail. So this will help a lot of people. Even if you're outside of Canada or US, you will still get paid, right? So I know some of you guys are saying that is this like spamming? So it's a one way of getting your link out there, right? So it's very relevant to the problem, right? So the blog post, it's all about belly fat, and your product is about belly fat, so it's relevant. So you're just recommending or you're promoting this. But if you don't like this kind of strategy, and if you want to learn how to create an online business from home or by using your cell phone or your computer, that's why I highly suggest you check out my number one recommendation in making a full-time income from home, down in the description. It's gonna teach you a 15 days business builder workshop where you will learn how to build an online business from scratch. Like, meaning if you have no experience at all, if you have no idea on how to build an online business, this training that I highly recommend, and it will definitely teach you from everything from the ground up and all the way to making a full-time income from this, or the way for you to replace your job, right? So I highly suggest you check out that. It's gonna be there on my number one on the description down below. All right, guys, so I really hope you get value in this video, and let me know if you found results on this. And it's actually been doing this for a while, and I have made some sales on this, but then it's gonna take you like an hour of your time or 2 hours of your time, because you have to find trends and blogs and where you can comment on this one. But again, if you want to build an online business, check out my number one recommendation down in the description. Alright, guys, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.